What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. Hi, you. What's goody? What's good, guys? Hey, I wanted to bring some insight about the Fearless Mama. I talk about how you can make a nice income with the program, but I also wanted to talk about, some of the training that you're going to get. We're going to give you the secrets when it comes to marketing that's going to get you results right away. That's why if you look at this here, we say within 72 hours, new video reveals how you can instantly pocket a $250 commission within the next 72 hours if you never made a dime online. Okay, now the reason that is being said, guys, because of the bonus training now, results are not typical. So you do have to put in some work, but we do give you the information that you need to do to put in work. So we give you the video modules as far as in the training portals, as far as our Craigslist training, our extra bonuses that we do have. We have our live scheduled classes every Monday night. So if you are a member in the community, and what we do, guys, we provide new training we provide new marketing strategies each Monday. Okay, and then on Wednesdays we actually have an opportunity Zoom as well, where where Tammy does all the selling and telling for your prospects. So if anyone is interested in the Fearless Mama, pretty much here we will have a Zoom going on here. And guys, definitely that's why I want you guys to definitely opt in my list so you can get that link to attend this Zoom meeting that we're going to be having. Okay, so guys, here's the thing. Alrighty, I wanted to go in here and kind of touch bases on some of the things, some of the information that you will be going over. So we have a Craigslist training. We're going to show you how to actually post on Craigslist. So you know how to do a Craigslist ad to generate traffic into your business. Also, we're going to show you how to do. We're going to give you a lot of solo ad vendors that we have used that are proven to be very, very good. Okay, so people are getting opt-ins, people are getting leads and sales. Okay, with these solo ad vendors that we have and that we provide for you in the training. Also, we're going to teach you how to do Facebook ads. So we're going to teach you how to do, take a normal picture and post that on your Facebook fan page and create a nice ad around that to generate business, which to generate the word that I'm looking for. Forgive me, guys, but pretty much to generate interest. Okay, so once you generate that interest, then you can provide the information to them. Now, I also have a training as far as ManyChat goes that I just give everyone, so whenever you join me, I just give it to you. So that's just something that I just do for everyone. Whatever program that you join me in, mainly, that you're paid, I just give you things that I already have on my side there. So I do give you a ManyChat training. So if you want to automate everything on Facebook, I will show you how to do that. Also, after we're done, I'm going to show you another strategy that I am using, a tool that I'm using to generate over 200 leads to pretty much get my business in front of 200 people a day. Okay, all from a simple text message blast. And I showed you guys this before, but I want to go back over it. Okay, so we're going to show you how to do that, and then we're going to show you video marketing. So if you're watching this right now, I've put this video on YouTube. So if you have been searching the Fearless Mama or ways that you can earn $250 a day, then this why I labeled that video or titled that video this, because I want people to understand is that there's things that you can do online to make a nice income daily. 2 sales a day is $500 with this program. Okay, now I don't want to go deep all into the back office and showing too much information there. I wanted to show you guys, just some of the stuff that you're going to get outside of what I just went over. So the solo ad training, Facebook marketing strategies, as I just mentioned, classified and outsourcing secrets. So like I said, guys, we teach you how to do this hands off as well. So this is some of the stuff that you're going to see. People don't know a lot of this. Some of this is basic and some of this is advanced. So a lot of people don't know about this type of stuff or how to do this, and we're giving you all this information. We're showing you guys how to set up Aweber or some type of email autoresponder. We explain why you should have it. Aweber's in here, but I use a different system. But I also can show you how to use a system that I created as well. But that's what happens when you get around people that will help you and want to see you build. Okay? So that's something that, we go over. And then we got like a section here of your why. Why are you here? Why are you in this program? Literally, why are you, what are you doing online? And that's the question that you have to ask yourself before you join a program. No, this is not any get-rich-quick thing. Is this something that you can make money in? Yes. Is this something that people are making 6 figures on? Yes. Is this something that people are quitting their jobs with? Yes. Income disclaimer, these are people that are putting in work. But it is possible. It's not hard. It is different. But if you are trainable, if you're willing to learn, listen, then you could definitely, and an action taker, that's going to be the number one thing. You have to be an action taker. If you are an action taker, you will be very successful in a business like this, okay? Because it's just taking action. It's just learning to be a good copycat. Literally, that's all you're doing. We're providing the ads for you in the Facebook group. So we have ads and different things that we provide. Also with the training, we give you the ads on here that you can pretty much just use. Gosh, literally everything is made out for you. Okay, so it's very simple. It's very cut and dry. It's $250. There's no upsells, no admin fees, none of that. Okay, so once you're in, you're in. Now there is a big ticket program right on the back of it. So this is why this is designed to be one system and it just focus on driving traffic on this particular system. And I get that. Okay, so if you are interested in earning the 250s, then definitely you want to take a look into this business. It's something that you can definitely benefit from and everyone else could benefit from, because you have Tammy. She's going to take them pretty much by the hand and through these trainings. And, I help as well, so that's my thing. I don't want to always say just Tammy, because that's not it. You know what I'm saying? If you sign up under me, I want you to reach out to me. I want you to ask me questions so I can help you as well. Now, if there's a question where I don't answer or so like that, where I'm just busy, I didn't see it, then I can definitely understand, But usually I try my best to make sure that I'm here for anyone that I bring in to just get any questions answered for you as well. Okay, so that's something that I like to also say for myself. Now, I wanted to share with you guys a lot of the proof in this business here that a lot of us are having, and there, a lot of Facebook posts or people are just welcoming people to the $250 program. Okay, now as I mentioned, every Wednesday night we have a Zoom for the opportunity, so we invite people to this Zoom. Okay, so guys, here's the URL. All right, I'm just gonna drop it here, and I'll put a link right at the bottom as well for to join the Zoom tomorrow night. But also I'll have it posted, so if you guys be patient with me, I'll also have it posted probably later on tonight on YouTube as well. So if you did miss that, then I got you. All right. So I wanted to kind of share some people that are sharing some testimonials. Okay. So Bobby just joined. Okay, that's the 250. That's 250 right there. Another member, Donald Robinson. That's 250 right there. Okay? Rose Green, 250. Bobby Bryant, 250. You see these people are coming in? 250. 250. 250. People are joining this thing left and right. So what is it in it for you? You're going to learn. We're going to teach you all the strategies that you need to know. Literally everything that you need to know to make it in this online space. Okay? So let me go back here. Go back over to my Chrome. So guys, you're going to get a capture page. So we do provide you a capture page as well. This is the capture page that we provide you. Okay, so this is something, if you don't have a marketing system, which I definitely recommend that you have a marketing system, because then you can send out, or if you set up Aweber, then you can send out multiple emails as well to this particular program, which she shows you how to do that. Again, I have multiple different autoresponders and different marketing platforms, so I have created an exact same funnel, almost similar to this capture page. It just funnels through my autoresponder. But if you do not have a marketing system, this is provided for you. Okay, so they will follow up for you. I think she says about 7 or 8 follow-ups that they do for you. So that's why I say at the end of the day, something to get you going, but you eventually still want to reach out to those leads as they're coming in. You eventually want to set up your own marketing or autoresponder so you can reach out to people. Okay,
hey there. This is Tammy
so I'm just walking you through it. This is what's called a bridge page. So with the bridge page, Tammy's breaking everything down, introducing, saying she's going to give you a solo ass swipe, pretty much giving something free in exchange for that email. So, she breaks down, everything that's going on, and then you got the next page. And this is where you can sign up. So this is the actual creator of this system here.
At 1:39 in the morning.
And he's going to pretty much explain and break down how this system is being used, okay? How he's actually showing proof, and how he's making money in his sleep with this, okay? So it's pretty much this is like the actual sales letter of the actual funnel, okay? So this is the sales letter where It's telling people, it's showing proof people making money. This is not your grandma's MLM deal from 1984. That's the year I was actually born, so that's kind of funny to me. And this is the sales page, okay? So it's very cool how they got this set up here. Now you can actually take payments two ways right now, which is Stripe and PayPal. I think they're trying to get PayPal removed because PayPal, so many people are having issues with PayPal. So I think they're trying to get it removed. I still have mine as well because I have another PayPal account. PayPal did shut down my main account, but I also have another one that I can actually accept payments from or just pay with a credit card through my Stripe. So we will be offering another platform. I think she's trying to get set up here where it's another option outside of PayPal where you can utilize that particular system and transfer money into a bank card or transfer money to your account. However, okay, so that's a cool system to have. All right, now I wanted to show you guys a marketing strategy that I'm using here, and it's on the SMS platform. So let me get logged in. I'm using a tool called SMS Phone Leads. Okay, so let me go and get logged in here really quick. I think that's it. Alright, so I'm in. Now as you can see, I got a Stripe account connected to this guy. So the same people that have actually created the system for the Fearless Mama actually created this system as well. Alrighty. Now what I have also utilized this system for is sending out text message blasts each day. Okay, so with this phone number that I have here, this is just one of my accounts. I actually have another account that I've set up that's totally different to this one here from my fiance's account, and it has multiple numbers on that one here because she does myEcon for me and kind of does that one. But this one here, I have my Fearless Mama link attached to it. So I have my Fearless Mama link attached to it, but what I wanted to show you guys as well is that since I am utilizing it two ways, so I send out broadcast messages, which they give me 200 fresh leads per day, and then if people text me the actual number, it just sends out a message. So it's not a conversation starter or anything like that where I can keep texting back to them. Now, I can text from another number if I decide to, but if they keep texting, it's just going to kind of give them the same thing. Okay, so that's why it's only used to get them over to the platform as far as my marketing system that I'm trying to get them to. So that's the two ways that I do use it. So as I show you some of the messages here, pretty much I just kind of went back so I can show you something. Let me go back to the first page here, okay? So pretty much here. Alright, so if I have a Craigslist post and people text me 250, that number is going to send out a message to them. Or I can send out a broadcast message. So usually when I send out a broadcast message, you can kind of see these numbers here. Those are out-of-state numbers, so like that because it's just a list of numbers that I'm able to send my broadcast to. Now when you see the 816, that could have been from some guy that's from the Craigslist post that's local. And that's just how it goes. You know, you're going to get people that are going to be very, very rude. You're going to get people that are open-minded. But those are your leads. I literally have people that will opt into my business from YouTube, right? And say they didn't do it. You know, like, how did I get your email, sir? You know, like, how am I emailing you back? How am I writing you? You know, those are that, but that's just, it just comes with the game. It's a numbers game, okay? So this is how I'm able to get my business out. And you can see I have a list of pages. So this is how I'm able to get my business out and get sales into my business and get leads into my business, guys. So this system is very, very cool to use. I definitely would recommend it if you are looking to make some money online, guys.
See this?
Let me show you here.
This is Andrew Jackson on the $20 bill. He was our 7th president.
So pretty much here we're giving you all the benefits. You also have the voicemails, the instant text message reply, click callback for voice message. You can use this offline or online. That's why I say it's like a pre-qualification for your prospects. Okay, promote whatever you want. We show you how to literally set it up. So here's the thing: you can earn up to $46 per customer. I literally have it all. I did it all here. You know, I have all my phone funnel. I have my instant blast. That's what I'm talking about. And you should check this out and use it for your system, okay? So I'm going to leave a link right at the bottom. This is only for the US, guys, so I can't do anything else outside of that. But definitely check it all out. I'm going to leave the Fearless Mom information at the bottom, and I'm also going to leave this so you can definitely get going. So once you're in, I will provide the training for you guys as far as my Craigslist post that I am using and the link shortener that I'm using that is getting across, because some link shorteners will go into the spam box and the text blast never gets there. Alright? So this your boy Jay. Until the next video, I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Peace.